Hello everyone, so this is Ricky Baton from BSHM 3D Evening, and today I will be discussing to you the sixth discipline contributing to ergonomics. So let's start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now let's start with the first one, the psychology. So psychology plays a crucial role in ergonomics by studying human behavior, cognition, and perception. It also helps design user-friendly interfaces, improve workplace safety, and enhance productivity by considering how people think, feel, and interact with their environment. Now the second one we have the physiology. So physiology focuses on the human body's functions and responses to various conditions. And in ergonomics, it ensures that work environment supports health and efficiency by addressing fatigue, posture, and physical strain to reduce stress and injuries. So now let's move on to number three, the anthropometry. So it is the study of human body measurements, including size, shape, and strength. It is essential in ergonomics for designing tools, furniture, and workspaces that accommodate different body types, ensuring comfort and efficiency. So now let's move on to the fourth one, the biomechanics. So biomechanics examines the movement and mechanics of the human body. It helps in designing ergonomic solutions that minimize strain, prevent musculoskeletal disorders, and optimize movement efficiency in workplaces and daily activities. And now let's move on to the fifth one, the physics. So physics contributes to ergonomics by applying principles of force, motion, and energy. It also helps in designing safe and efficient work environments by considering factors like lighting, sound, vibration, and material properties. Okay, now let's move on to number six, the general engineering. So, it provides technical knowledge to create ergonomic solutions. It integrates human factors into machine design, workplace layouts, and safety measures, ensuring the tools, equipment, and systems are efficient, comfortable, and safe to use. So, in conclusion, all these disciplines work together to enhance human well being and performance in various environments. By applying ergonomics, we can create safer, more comfortable, and more productive workplaces and everyday experiences. That would be all, and bye bye. Thank you.